Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. Are you? Very good. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap, and I'm back with another chapter for you, and that is my food. You know what is food? Yes, food मतलब खाना जो हम daily खाते हैं. आप भी खाते हैं ना? Very good. And you know, food two types के होते हैं. One is healthy and one is junk food. You know, आप कौन सा food खाते हैं? Healthy food या junk food? Because healthy food से हम strong और healthy बनते हैं and junk food से हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, right? So let's see यहाँ कौन सा food है, okay? Let's start today's class. Okay, so can you see these pictures? We have so many foods here. The first one is cornflakes. First one is cornflakes जो हम breakfast में खाते हैं and cornflakes हम milk के साथ खाते हैं and it's very healthy. Okay, this is healthy food. Okay, cornflakes. Next is fruits. Next are fruits. Fruits are also very healthy. There are many fruits: apple, mango, banana, guava, pineapple, oranges. There are many fruits, so we should eat fruit daily. Okay, fruits are very healthy for our body. Okay, good. Next is burgers. Next is burgers. We all eat burgers, right? We cannot lie about it. We all eat burgers, but we should not eat junk food or burgers daily because they are not the right food for us. They're junk food, okay? So this is burger. Next is bread. Next is bread. We can eat bread sometimes, but again, not daily, okay? Only sometimes we can have bread. Next is chapati. Next is chapati. Now chapati is that food that we have to eat daily with dal, with sabji. हम क्या खाते हैं? हम चपाती के साथ खाते हैं. Okay. Next is pulses. Next are pulses. Now pulses बहुत सारे होते हैं, हाँ? जब आप दाल खाते हो तो डेली आप डिफरेंट दाल खाते हो. येलो वाली दाल, ब्लैक दाल, ग्रीन दाल. तो वो बहुत सारी दाल्स होती हैं और दाल pulses are very very healthy for our body. Okay. Next are rice. Next are rice. Then curd. Curd. Curd is also very good for our body. Okay. Next is butter. This is butter. आप लोग खाते हो ना ब्रेड एंड बटर या फिर पराठा के वो बटर लगा के खाते हो ना आप लोग, दैट इज बटर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज आइसक्रीम. नेक्स्ट इज आइसक्रीम. और आइसक्रीम कब खाते हैं? समर्स में, नॉट इन विंटर्स. ओके. अगर आप विंटर्स में खाएंगे देन व्हाट विल हैपन? आपको कोल्ड हो जाएगा, राइट? नेक्स्ट आर vegetables. Next are vegetables. These vegetables are very important and healthy for us. There are many types of vegetables like potato, onion, carrot, radish, peas, cauliflower, many other more vegetables, and all the vegetables are very healthy for our body. Okay. Next is ghee. Next is ghee. Then milk. Do you drink milk? Very good. You should have milk 2 times a day. Okay? Very good. Next is juice. Next is juice. You can have juice or you can eat fruits because juice कैसे बनता है? Fruit से. तो आप fruits खा सकते हैं या फिर आप उनका juice पी सकते हैं. Okay? All right. Next is activity. Match the items to the plate which are your favorite. Now, here are some items here, food items, and this is the food plate जिसमें हम खाना खाते हैं. Okay? So you have to match the items to the plate जो भी आपकी favorite है. So I will mark my favorite and you will mark your favorite items. Okay? Let's do this activity. Alright, so my favorite is fruits. I will match fruits with the plate. Alright. Next is curd. Yes, I love eating curd. So I will match the curd with the plate. Next is juice. Okay, you can match juice if juice you like. Next is ice cream. Then rice. Okay, I can match rice to the plate like this. Then pulses, dals. You wish you can match dal like this. Next is burger. I don't like burger, so I will not match burger. And the last one is chapatis. Yes, I will match chapati with the plate. Now like this, you have to match your favorite food items. Okay. Please complete this page. And that's it for today. So we have learned about healthy foods, the foods that we eat in our daily life. Okay. Don't forget the names of these foods. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.